Hello everyone, this is Naqib here. Welcome back to Tech Vitalik, and in this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix the you have not enough RAM or integer between 96 and 8 is required in Photoshop. This is a hilarious problem, and if you're facing that, this video is only for you. So let's begin. So at first, let me show you the problem. If I want to clone in Photoshop, it pops up that you have not enough RAM. But I will show you that I have enough RAM. Like in my task manager, you can see that it has enough RAM, but they're saying that they have no RAM. And let me show you the integer 96 and 8 is required problem. So I want to go in performance, and when I go there, you can see this pops up. So to fix that, what you have to do is first you have to close Photoshop. Then now in Windows search for run, or you can press Windows button and R, type regedit and press on OK. Then you have to go in the second option, which is HKE current user, and in there when you expand that, go on software, and in there you have to go on Adobe. From there, Photoshop 120.0. Then you have to press the right mouse button and go on new. From there, you have to go on the word 32-bit value. And now you have to type override physical memory MB. So press enter on that, and again press right mouse button on that and go on modify, and there change the value to 2400, and be sure this base should be hexadecimal, not decimal. Then press OK, and that's it. Now let me show you it worked. Go to Photoshop, and when you will go to Photoshop, clone tool, yeah, it's working right now. So if this video was helpful, hit the like button and share this video to your friends for their information. And if you haven't subscribed this channel yet, please subscribe. And thank you for watching. I'll see you later. Peace.